students, I am Anandi. Today I am going to take percentage topic on quantitative aptitude. Let's start. Let's begin the topic. That is the concept. Topics to be covered in this session are concept on fractions and percentages, question on increasing a value by A% and then decreasing by B%, question on increasing a value by A% and increasing by B%. Let's go to the concept of fractions and percentages. A fraction with denominator 100 is called percentage. Called percentage. So percentage is equal to 1 over 100. Let's convert percentage into a fraction. 4 percentage can be written as 4 by 100, that is 1 by 25. 6% can be written as 6 by 100, 3 by 50. Let's convert percentage into a decimal. 33% can be written as 33 over 100, that is 0.33. 25% can be written as 25 by 100, that is 0.25. Suppose we want to convert 2 3 by 4 into a percentage. 2 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. We can write it in improper fraction as 11 by 4 into 100, that is equal to 275%. And let's go to the another concept. Question on increasing value by A% and decreasing by B%. If the value is first increased by A% and then decreased by B%, then the result, what is the solution we will be getting is A minus B minus AB by 100. That is denoting increase or decrease according to the positive or negative sign respectively. Let's go to the problem of the same topic. A shopkeeper marks the price of the mobile at 20% higher than the original price. After that, he allows a discount of 10%. What is the profit or loss did he get? So the required percentage here is A minus B minus AB over 100. So 20 minus 10 minus 20 into 10 by 100. So 10 and these two zeros getting cancelled. 10 minus 2 is 8%. That is the required answer for this question. Let's go to the another example of the same topic. The shopkeeper marks the price of the mobile at 20% higher than the original price. After that, he allows a discount of 5%. What is the profit or loss did he get? So here also the required percentage is using the same formula, A minus B minus AB over 100. 20 minus 5, 20 times 5 by 100. 120 is 20, 20 times 5 is 100, 5 getting cancelled. 20 minus 5 is 15, 15 minus 1 is 14%. That's the solution. we have to get. Let's go to the third concept. Increasing the value by A% and increasing by B%. If the value is first increased by A% and then increased by B%, then there is A plus B plus AB by 100 increase. Let's go to an example of the same topic. The marked price of a brand A watches is 15% higher than its original price. Due to increase in demand, the price is further decreased by 10%. How much profit will be obtained in selling these watches? So, in order to find that, the required percentage is A plus B plus AB by 100. Since here both are increasing the value by A% and increasing the value by B%. So 15 plus 10, 15 into 10 by 100. So 1010 getting cancelled, 25. 15 by 10 is 1.5. So that it is 26.5%. Thank you.